Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. This is my very first video on YouTube. I am so excited to be here. I've wanted to do YouTube for so many years, but I've just been super afraid to do it, anxiety high. I know we've all practiced YouTube videos in the bathroom, looking in the mirror or in the shower saying, hey guys, welcome to my channel. And I've done the exact same thing. So I finally decided to just bite the bullet and just do it. So thank you so much for watching my very first video. I am so nervous. Please show a little mercy, be kind to me, talk nice to me, and we will hopefully be friends. In this very first video, I just want to do a flip through. I am very much a happy planner girl. I actually love planning, period. I have been working with the planner since about 2004. I am the type of person that if it is in my head, it has to be organized somehow. It has to be written down. I need to be able to follow a schedule. Like that is how my mind works. So I've always had to write things down. I am that person that when we are going on a trip, I've got the list for every single person, my husband, my kids. I'm that girl. So I didn't even know that the planner community even existed. I just thought, I made a simple checklist, I wrote them down, but I didn't even know about the stickers. So once I found the planner community, I went crazy on stickers and also just trying to find things around the house that I can use to budget or make my planner looks super pretty because we all love pretty things. So on this channel we are going to talk about stickers and sales and things for the low because we know that everything is super expensive. So if I can find something around the house and turn it into something for my planner, that's exactly what we're going to do. So I hope you guys will stick around, but let's get started. This is a Happy Planner Colorful Florals sticker book that I found at Michael's. It was 50% off. So I believe I got it for about $10. And then I had Michael rewards points, which I use all the time, and was able, I think, to maybe get like $5 off or something like that. But I just thought it was so pretty and just wanted to share it. So this is a colorful florals sticker sheet or sticker book with 613 pieces in it. So let's get started. First, this page, it's something about flowers and floral. Now, when I was a kid, you could not pay me to even want to look at a floral. I thought it was for old people. That is what my grandma was using. My grandma loved florals, so that's how I felt. And now, I mean, I'm not a grandma or anything like that, but I'm obsessed. So the foil that are on these stickers are amazing. This one says, I must have flowers always and always. Focus on gratitude, focus on growing, focus on loving, focus on doing, focus on giving. Like these are just so beautiful. This one says to live with purpose, to say the courageous things, to celebrate the simple gift, to follow your dreams. This is a happy life. So these are just so beautiful. Look at all the florals in the boxes. I'm in love. These are just so pretty. These stickers here, it says stop and smell the flowers, and where flowers bloom, so does hope. These are clear stickers. They're just so pretty. I love like the outline. This one is stop and smell the flower. Look at this box. It's so cute. It's like a sticky on top of a box. Love this. Keep going, keep growing. You have more layered boxes, which I love. I can just use one sticker. Normally I would have to layer two. Look at this one. This one is a box with the circle in it. Like, I just love this. And I honestly had never seen this before. So I don't know if maybe my Michaels was hoarding this in the back and finally decided to put it out. But there was one left, so I knew that that was meant for me. So slow down, soak it up. Like, it is just so pretty and girly and dainty. And that's exactly what I love. So you have bigger boxes here. These are still the same as before, except there are some focus on wellness, gratitude. These are super cute. I've never seen this shape. This is on paper. This set is also on paper. So just more boxes. Love the colors. Today's focuses, priorities, olive. Look at this one. Oh my God, look at the foils. Look at that. It's like a rose gold foil. This says bloom, grow, happy. And this whole sheet is clear and it is on foil. Same thing with this one, where flowers bloom, so does hope. This is on paper. I love these. These are actually pretty cool. This is one single sticker. Let's see if I can pull it up so you can see. That is one sticker. That's so pretty. And of course, if you want, you can put another sticker or right on top of it. Like, that is so beautiful. Same thing here, more boxes. These are cute. I'm beautiful, I'm positive, I'm healthy, strong, content. I attract love, I'm kind. Just words of affirmation that we all need. This is so cute and I love the colors. And then this is again in the clear. Love that. You're probably going to hear me say I love that a million times because I absolutely adore this book. It is just the prettiest thing ever. These are clear paper, but this is gold foil. Hopefully you can see that. The same thing here, more gold. Oh, so pretty. This is paper. Love this shape. This is just amazing. More boxes, which is something I always need. This is just like the paper, the one we saw before that had foil with just the words being a color, and this is just black and white. This is grow your own way, stop and smell the roses, so very grateful, nourish and flourish, bloom with grace, bloom in your own time, grow positive thoughts, when we love, we grow. And then this page is paper, more of those layered boxes in paper. So there's definitely enough to do whatever it is that you're trying to create. These are your numbers. These are cute. These are paper. You also have your alphabet. I like the colors here, very jungle vibes. And then these have gold foil, but look at this one. It has just the color and the foil behind it. So cute. And then this is the last page in paper. Like, this is just so amazing. I love it. Hopefully you can locate this as well at Michael's. Like I said, I just got it on sale. And I hope you enjoyed today's flip through. This was just a super quick video. Like I said, I just want to introduce myself again. My name is Angie, and this is Change of Plans with Angie. I'm also Change of Plans with Angie on Instagram. So come on over there, hit the follow button. Let's be friends. Of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment. I talk back. I love when people talk to me. I talk back. So if you could just come along with me for the journey, I promise it'll be fun over here. But until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.